Hello! Today we check out some funny possibilities how to gate a signal, and I recently use a lot of Wavetable LFO for this, so check this out. What we have here is a pad I made with pigments, and then I have a tool device which controls the volume with that wavetable LFO. So if you go to the automation, you see, here we go. I control the volume. And I used a specific one called envelope band even, which you find in LFO and sequences. That's only the wavetable itself, and then I modulate the index of the wavetable with, for example, a random LFO. And if you want to have a bit more repetitive variation in the modulation or in the gating, you can use that Parsec 8. It's like a 8-step sequencer where you can modulate different settings from the index, for example, so you get that result. So have fun trying out.